Yeah, what's good? I'm removing this black wire. I'm gonna remove this part. Have to remove over there. So yeah, let's do this. Jesus. Damn. We're gonna make so much mess. Oh, wait. Let me get some. Well, there was like nothing there. And here too. So this engine was running dry. Definitely. This is going to go back in before tomorrow. I put another one, but this one is definitely getting back in. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to remove this black line over here. And just do what I'm gonna do basically. Okay, now change of plans. I'm just going to cut it. Looks short. I'm just going to cut it right over here and add a new battery terminal, and then then that should be it. Now 2 terminals are done, the ground and the positive. They are looking good. So the only thing that is left now is to pour some oil and connect the separator here for the fuel, and then connect the petrol, and then we're just gonna give it a start.